Guitar 101 Rammstein and another Saz video, Baglama Saz video. I just got this short neck Saz and just repaired it after buying it used. I'm doing a video on that as well. That's probably up at about the same time this is, or shortly after. Anyways, this is my first time really playing on a short neck, and it's pretty cool. I like it. I'm tuned to standard, but GDA. So G at the very top course, D in the middle course, and A at the very bottom. Alright. In this video I'm going to try to get you started on learning chords, how to use chords on a Paloma and some chord changes. So we're going to start out real simple and kind of add on to it. The first chord is here. And that should be I should look this up. So I have it written down. I don't have it memorized which chord is what, and it's kind of confusing because I'm using different tunings. So we have this one here, and that's all on the 3rd fret on the bottom and middle course of strings and the open top strings. And you're just going to hold it with the index finger like that. Just the 3rd fret on those two strings, two courses of strings. And then the next one, it's going to be 3, 4, 5, on the 7th fret. We're going to hold the bottom course with the index finger and the top course with our thumb, and the middle course is open. And I think that's an A, and that's a G. That's like a G power chord, G5. So first just try getting used to that, because that's the weirdest thing with the Saz, the Baglama, is using your thumb if you're like a guitarist like me or something. So that'll take a little getting used to. So at first you can just work on that transition from 3rd fret to the 7th fret, those two chords. Play like really easy at first, maybe like 4 strums on each one, and just try to do it in tempo, so something like this. Alright, and now from these two chord positions, there's a lot of other chords that are really easy to throw in there and fit well together. So I'm holding the 3rd fret on the 2nd and bottom course of strings. From that one, I can add the 4th fret on the very bottom course, or I can add the 4th frets on the middle and bottom course. So all those back to back sound really good. Also just going totally open and right back to that 3rd fret. So we have 4 chords there. Because I'm either holding both courses of strings, the middle and the bottom, or just the bottom, while I'm holding this 3rd fret. And that gives a cool little space for a kind of a hammer on pull off. So I'm plucking, I'm hammering to the 5th fret, pull off to 3rd fret, and pull off to open. You can even do it on both courses of strings, both bottom courses, the middle and the bottom. Alright, and now when we go to the 2nd chord here at the 7th fret, thumb at the top, index at the bottom, middle course is open. It's a bit more of a reach, but you're going to go 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 11 with your little finger. And also to 10 with use the ring finger if you like. So it's a cool, kind of like using suspended chords or something where you're adding on, from a D to a D suspended on a guitar, where you can get those hammer-ons and pull-offs. So it's just kind of getting the idea of, getting the hang of switching position and using the thumb, and, just two main chord positions to switch between. Thanks for watching, and I'll probably be doing a few more videos just working a couple groups of chords like that at a time. That's the way I like to learn, because I'm not overwhelming myself with too many to remember at once and putting them more into context. Just like when you learn chords by learning a song, you tend to remember better. So we'll start with those two groups, and then we're going to start kind of adding some more in and some work in pairs like that in some future videos. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, leave comments, all that good stuff. Till next time.